gelijk die verder niet goed.
Gaan we niet aufzeichnen en ausschneiden.
Nou maar.
2 naar voren, 1 naar achter, 2 naar voren, 1 naar achter. Zo gaat het daar. Perfect.
Maar dat vliegen ga je dus het 1 naar achter, 2 naar voren.
Try it again. I made my own pattern now. Alright, so we'll be sewing this over using a backstitch, and I have this video that explains it really well. So walking around, sorry, jump scare. so walking around, I noticed that I didn't actually explain when you run over thread what you do. So you want to leave just a little bit, enough so you can knot the end before you start, and then you tell, okay, that's exactly, I timed this perfectly, I see. Sorry, I'll come help out.
Ik moet echt weer eens gaan proberen. Gewoon weer gaan bewaren. Niet dat ik heel goed in was.
Hey, aber ich kann's alleine. Extra hat überhaupt nicht mitgeholfen.
Nee, gar nicht. Oh yeah, well, let me put on the sewing, because most people are sewing.
Sad stroopwafels.
Why is it sad? It's good. Wait, where's mine?
Well, it doesn't feel like a stroopwafel.
No, we can just like here. No, we can. Oh, yours is much bigger. Look at that.
That's what she said. Okay.
Okay, never mind.
Okay, which one is mine? Well, the pathetic one.
Did you turn a? Are you ready to do the ladder stitch?
Yes, I'm just finishing off this last bit now.
Okay, so you didn't start the ladder stitch yet?
Not yet.
Okay, good.
No, I think that may have
These
gone
magnets
very
are pretty
badly
strong,
wrong.
actually.
but-
They are very strong magnets, yeah. So it's nice if you want to collect all your.
Oh, I just need to stand for.
If you want to collect all your pins, you can just do this, and then you can just collect all of them. It's nice.
Yeah, no, I'm gonna hurt myself.
Yeah, probably.
It's way easier, man. Why didn't we do that?
You've got this.
We've got this together.
Ja,
Ah, heel goed.
zeker wel.
Let's actually take
Daar ben ik niet ontevreden over.
Ja, dat zou ook wel niet. Niet vergeten de magneet.
Ja?
Die was ik net aan het vergeten, dus.
Yes, sure.
Dus dan maar hoe het zei.
Ja.
En nou wordt het moeilijk.
Ja, wat je moet doen, is je hebt dat stukje stof.
Ja, maar even. Eerst even begrijp lezen en dan mag het wel zijn. Gewoon even kijken hoe de author.
Een stuk draad. Ja, weet je.
It was like right when we started talking. And there was like,
So,
was it like
like
4 or 5
this.
codes, and 2 of those, everyone was trying to solve the
I
code.
mean, we want
2 of them